What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Blizzard. I'm Ben, and today we are going to be doing a lot of stuff. We're going to be covering 3 different topics in tech that we've seen around this week and coming up in the future of this year and next year. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end, because there's one piece of tech in here that could be revolutionary to the industry in smartphones and computing. That'll be last. First off, though, we're going to be talking about Samsung's rumored new watch lineup. The new Galaxy Watch lineup could be, according to Sam Mobile and Ice Universe, could be a Wear OS watch. Now, this would be years since it has been years since we've seen a Wear OS Samsung watch. Those were the first Samsung smartwatches we ever saw, with that cool curved display that looked really futuristic on one of them. I remember. I'll show an image of that. But I think having Wear OS on it is going to be interesting due to the battery life. We'll have to see how that's impacted. If Samsung modifies the software and doesn't do stock, maybe they do modified. However, I don't know how I feel on this topic, because I use Galaxy Watch Active 2, and I'm fine with Tizen OS, and I didn't think it would be great, because I initially switched from the LG G Watch, which was like one of the first Android Wear watches, and it was before Wear OS. I just loved the Google feature where you could just say the command to activate Google. I'm not going to say it now because I have a ton of Google devices. But pretty much this watch could be pretty interesting to see. I'll show the model numbers on the screen. Those are the next 2 watches that Samsung just released the model numbers for that they're going to be making. They don't show any rumors about specs or software or any of that. It's just a rumor thrown out there that it could be on Wear OS. Alright, now let's talk about folding phones. Specifically, Samsung's 3rd generation of their folding phone lineup. Now, it wasn't released along with the S21 this year like some predicted, which leads me and many to believe that it will be released on the Galaxy Note Day, where they release that. And if it's not, it could be a separate date. We don't know anything official about dates yet. That's still very far out. But if it was released on that day where the Note usually comes out, there's a rumor it could be replacing the Note. But it comes with a good thing, because of the fact that it would, if it does, it's still up in the air, which is crazy because we're pretty close in the scheme of how long it would be to see such a radical change of an entire line getting removed, and it's still unknown. Some say Note's going to get removed this year. I don't know. I don't really have an opinion on this yet, but I do know that there is a chance of this happening, and if it does, this new Fold lineup is going to be the new Note series. Hopefully we don't see a really weird name that's 8 words long of Galaxy Note Folding Ultra Plus device or something. I don't know. We'll have to see. But this device is rumored. There's not a lot of specs rumored yet. I'll go into a video more specifically in this phone. But for now, we're just kind of going over it briefly. There's a rumored 3rd display, which I found very not useful from a productive standpoint. So this display is shown behind me here. It runs along the edge. I'm not a really big fan. It looks cool because that's what renders do. They have lots of things that some are practical, some are not, but they usually look cool. And this would be very interesting to see how it affects cost. This year we should still be seeing very high cost in the folding series. However, we will be seeing, most likely this year, a light version of this class. We could be seeing the Galaxy Fold Lite. The Galaxy Fold 3 Lite, excuse me. Or whatever they decide to name it this year again. Just like, for example, the Galaxy Buds and earphones lineup. If you look back 5 years to now, it's just, I don't know who changes it every single year, like the naming and even the design, like on the Galaxy, like the bean-shaped ones, the Pro, I think they're. Yeah, Samsung's got interesting lineup naming, just like every other tech company. Alright, moving on to the most hyped thing. I actually just recently read about this on online, and it is 2 concept videos that were posted by Walking Cat on Twitter. A reliable rumor source has posted 2 incredible concept videos for a Samsung Glasses Lite. I know in the previous video we talked about the Apple AR, Apple Glass around 2022 to 2023. I'm gonna say 2023 is when we're gonna see that. Samsung's obviously aware of the fact that Apple and other competitors will be doing this, and the future is, the short term is an AR, and it'll be interesting to see if this really comes to reality, because in their concept videos, it just shocked me. It's like, it was so cool. There was a sunglasses mode where you could just tap it and it would turn into sunglasses. There's a drone mode where you could like fly a drone and have a heads-up display of the real world and the thing, which I think is awesome. You had Samsung Dex, which was really cool, where you could just type on a keyboard connected to it, I'm assuming. Yeah. But this tech is still not public fully yet, as unless they had an external computer somewhere, like your phone, which I think is a really good idea to run it on your phone or something, because you have your phone with you. But it showed in the video just the glasses, so we'll have to see how these AR glasses play out. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. We kind of jumped around a bit, talked about some tech. Let me know if you want a video on any one thing specific. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace.